Okay, I want to break down and show you how to get through the solo of the second verse. Now this is really cool because although they're singing, the full band's playing, this is something that is so awesome in this track that you have to learn it. So this is based on pattern 4 of the major pentatonic scale, okay? And what this is it's the call and response factor of the blues that is so awesome in the song. So starting here, the first riff, you can sing it, you can hum it, you can play it. Starting on the 11th fret of our G string, bending that up a whole step. Coming and striking with our pinky on the 12th fret of our B string. And basically coming right back down to the 11th fret on our G string, and then hitting with our index finger the 9th fret of our G string. So that is the basis of that riff, our cool little melody, but using your vibrato, your hammer-ons and pull-offs, you can really start to make that come alive. Full speed. So the next riff is really cool because what Leslie does is he eases into, instead of going up a whole step on that riff from the 11th fret to the 13th, he basically puts it right in between at the 12th, which sounds like this. Breaking that down, you're going from the 11th fret and you're bending up a half step. Only striking that first note and coming up to the 12th, back down to the 11, and you can hear it. To the 9th fret and adding some vibrato on there. So those two riffs together. Pretty cool. Now, when we're moving now to the 4 chord, he goes to more of a minor pentatonic bluesy lick, which in this case, he goes to the 10th fret on his B string, bending that up a whole step and really putting some power behind it. Then, remember in the first riff, we actually were using our pinky undernotes. We're gonna do that here. We're gonna put our pinky on the E string, right underneath that. Coming down on a simple minor pentatonic lick. So, 10, bend up, grabbing it, ten to 8 with your index on the B, and then coming and landing on the 9th fret of our G string. So that full on is. So far, so good. Now we're sliding up to our bread and butter pentatonic position up here on the 12th fret, which we're going on the B string, bending that 15th fret with our ring finger all the way up a whole step. Cool sound. Then, following that up, 15th fret on our high E string, bending that up a whole step. Bring it down. 12th fret, right back to that 15 on the B. So that sounds like this. Now, one more riff, bending that B all the way up on the 15th fret to the 17th. Coming down to the 12th fret on our B. And now we're on our G string, 14th fret, and putting some sustain on a whole step bend there. So that all together sounds like this. Using our pinky, grabbing that 15th fret on our B string. Ending it with a classic bluesy lick. 15, bending that 14th on the G with our ring finger, just a half step. The 12th to the 14th on our D string. And that, my friends, is the second verse solo. So altogether, it sounds like this. Now practice it, try and get all of those vibratos, those really cool bends, the micro bends, all of that under your fingers, and I will see you in the next lesson.